Hello everyone. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps of creating a CPA or cost per action landing page using AdBlueMedia. First, head over to the AdBlueMedia website and sign up for an account. If you don't have one yet, you will need to provide the details about your business and traffic sources you will use. Inside the AdBlueMedia dashboard, browse the CPA offers available. Choose one that best fits your target audience and click apply to join the campaign. Now, it is time to create your landing page. You can use landing page builders like Unbounce, Lead Pages, or even WordPress. Design the page with a clear call to action or CTA that encourages visitors to complete the desired action. After your page is designed, copy the affiliate link from the AdBlueMedia for the CPA offer you join. Paste this link into your landing page's CTA button or form. To get conversions, you will need traffic. Use social media ads, SEO, or paid traffic strategies to drive potential leads to your landing page. And there you go. That is how you create a CPA landing page using AdBlueMedia. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.